What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy Like and Rains, back at it again. Welcome to Like and Rain Studio. Here we do abstract art, we have fun, we express ourselves, we talk to each other, we talk to the canvas. We're here to have a good time. Painting is therapy. No mistakes, we're gonna get into it. Today, I'm gonna be doing a different technique. I'm gonna be using a hair dryer. Got a small canvas today. We're gonna see what kind of magic we can make. So, I'm gonna start off with some bright red. We're just gonna put the paint straight on the canvas. Then we're gonna go in there. We're gonna go in there with some white, and we're gonna put it right in the red. Let's go at it with some blue. Sounds like I need another blue. Let's go at it with some black. Let's go at it with some, we're gonna do pearl white. You know how much I love my pearl white. And we're gonna do dark red too. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can make some magic happen. I'm gonna put the hair dryer on and get to work. As you can see, we're mixing the colors, but we're getting the different effect from the hair dryer. But the colors are mixing, but not like how they would in a bowl. We're gonna get this whole canvas covered. Believe it or not, as simple as that was, we made something beautiful. It's vibrant. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Take a look at it. See that? That effect that we got with those colors, the way it mixed. See that? Here on Like It Rain Studios, we like to experiment. We use different techniques. Like I said, I use a lot of different tools. I like to get messy, I like to get dirty, because sometimes beautiful things come out of a mess, and that's okay. And like I said, painting is like therapy. There's no mistakes. You can paint in a happy mood or a sad mood, and more than likely your art will come out through your emotions, through the canvas. And that's always a good thing. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. It was a short one. I just wanted to show you guys a new technique that I'm gonna start trying in my videos. And hopefully, you know, I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Your boy Like and Reigns Studio. Here we go.